Oh, hey guys, it's me, Ben Brown. I have some good news. I figured out a way to turn myself completely into data. Isn't that awesome? I'm just like numbers and letters now. Anyways, uh, I've been tinkering with this cool little thing, the LilyGo Pager, and made a little demo video. So check it out. Hey, so this is the LilyGo Pager that I got a couple days ago. It's like a little radio connected device. It has a keyboard and screen and has these cool flip out antennas. And inside it has a ESP32 programmable microcontroller. And I have been tinkering with this thing for the last couple days and I freaking love it. So I just thought I would show what I had built. And yeah, so here we go. Here's the home screen. You can see the Wi-Fi just connected and had a little toast message. The menu is navigated with this rotary. None of this comes stock. I had to start from scratch in Platform IO and build these components and decide like how the navigation was going to work and how the forward and back was going to work, but stuff like that. So we have chat, of course. And this will connect to my secret chat room where my friends and I hang out. And you can see there's some toasts going on. I can scroll through the channels and stuff like that and, chat with my friends. And that will actually stay online while the device is online. You can see it's still connected up there. So I'll get like pings if somebody messages me. I got a finger client. I run this happynetbox.com, which is a finger social network, so I can access my Happy Netbox profile. Boom. There, that's so cool. Look at that. I can scroll through, see updates. Every device these days, you can't ship without an onboard AI, man. So I went old school and I got the oldest of the old chatbots, Eliza, on here. Hey, thanks for waking me up. I need coffee. What would it mean to you if you got coffee? Oh, really, Eliza, you're getting me here. We also have the secondary onboard AI, my favorite, Max Headroom, rendered as ASCII art. I wasn't about to parse MPEGs or whatever. And finally, the last app we have is a DTMF tone generator. That's like the old school phone numbers. You got that cool groovy fading color there. Can you see that? But I was like, I have this cool rotary dial. What could I do with that? So I kind of did a little whammy pedal thing. And then I had all these other keys, so I added just a normal keyboard. There we go. And then you can also whammy those guys. But you can also like slide. So sort of like a DTMF ocarina. Yeah, so those are the main apps right now. Fun. And then we have settings like Wi-Fi. Again, I had to decide on how all this stuff worked from scratch, which is a really fun process really for me. And then we have like, you can theme the UI. So I'll change this around so you can see we'll change it to green. And now all of the UI changes, which is really cool. So yeah, I highly encourage people to check this thing out. I mean, it's like less than $100 and, you can program your own entire operating system or whatever for it, and it's super fun. It also has GPS I'm not using yet, NFC with like tapping, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it has an SD card slot, and all that stuff just kind of works with Arduino platform IO stuff. So really fun, really fun. Yeah, thanks for watching.